everybody, what's up, and welcome back to another kind of episode of the In Bloom series where I talk about a certain flower that I'm growing this year, and you can get kind of a closer look of it while it's in bloom and see what it really looks like. This one is about English daisies. I had recorded audio in the garden for this one, but unfortunately the sound of lawnmowers completely washed the sound out, so I'm re-recording this with a voiceover, so you'll have to forgive me. I am working to make these In Bloom series better, so if you have any suggestions, be sure to leave those down in the comments below. Today we are going to be talking about English daisies. And now this variety of English daisy specifically is called the Habanero mix, or it's the Habanero mix. It seems like when I ordered it from Swallowtail Garden Seeds, it said Habanero mix, but now that I went back and I looked on the website, it says Habanero mix. So I don't know what it is, honestly. Like I said, I got this from Swallowtail Gardens when I made my order. This one was definitely a purchase on a whim. I saw that it was a bedding plant. This year, I've really wanted to focus on adding a few more bedding plants that we can grow from seed, and this one is definitely a winner. I started this from seed in the fall, back in about the end of September here in my garden, and it germinated from seed so easily. All I did was I stuck the seed packet in the fridge for a week, then I got it out, I surface sowed in a tray, and they germinated. I had great germination. And these are actually a perennial flower. According to the packet, it said perennial to zone 4. So even though I grew these in my hoop house, I probably didn't have to. I probably could have overwintered them outside and they probably would have been just fine. These are extremely early blooming, and they're blooming at the same time as the alyssum and the Johnny Jump Ups and the pansies, which make them just a really beautiful companion plant with those other small bedding flowers. This is my first year growing them, so I am really interested to see if they will come back next year. I'm hoping that they will, because these are really interesting. The flowers have this kind of spiky appearance that are kind of similar to bachelor's buttons, but when you grow them, not really. They don't. On camera, they look like bachelor's buttons a little bit, but in person, they don't look anything like them. Overall, I love the diversity of the colors and the different patterns in this mix. It's just whites and pinks. They bloom out nice and double at first, and then once they kind of spring open, they reveal this yellow center. Overall, I think these are a great ornamental plant for the flower bed. Above all else, they are insanely easy to grow, so you could grow a lot of them on a really tight budget. That's really about it for this video. Hopefully it was somehow helpful. I'm not quite sure if it was. If it was, be sure to subscribe. We'd love to have you. I'm making new videos all the time about gardening and all kinds of different stuff. So if you like it, you might like this channel too. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day. I will talk to you all later. Bye guys.